And welcome to week 12 of Statistics 1. This past week, exam number 2, which hopefully going through the steps and the different tasks in exam number 2 helped you pull together a lot of the material that we've covered so far in this course. In each chapter, we covered one discrete little step at a time, but I was hoping that exam 2 helped you realize how they all blend together and they all work as one. We are going to be making a transition now from a lot of the steps of the individual statistics that you ran earlier to what is now called inference or statistical inferences. And the first step in doing that is understanding how to run an accurate hypothesis test. So for this chapter, there's not a lot of math involved in this chapter, but there is a lot of terminology and very specific vocabulary and notations. So please read the text carefully in chapter 10. Take a look at there are 4 prompts that are assigned for this week. And also this screencast that has been posted, it's a walkthrough of item number 10.10 or 1010 from the book. It's not one of the assigned problems, but I do believe it walks through the whole process that we're looking for you to be able to take some of the statistics that you've learned up to this point, and then the processes that are required for hypothesis testing. And it's very specific steps and notation that is needed from here on out in the rest of this course and in statistics 2, and will be definitely needed for any type of research you may be doing for your graduate work here at St. Peter's or elsewhere. So please read it carefully. Again, take a look at the layout and the notation that is used for hypothesis testing. I recommend you watching this screencast of the walkthrough of 1010 and then applying it to the 4 prompts. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to post them on Slack or email me if you like as well. Good luck this week.